Hi camera! We're out on the river, just floating down. At least I'm just floating. He's actually working. And I'm about to lose the equipment, which I was told not to do. But it's really nice out here and a beautiful Saturday. We found a nice little shaded area. Say hi.
Hello.
And looking for turtles, but as of yet I have seen none. Though we did see some fish. Suddenly, I'm feeling that this is going to become the next Blair Witch Project. We have company. There's a couple with a dog back there, and the dog jumped out, and the woman jumped in immediately after the dog, which was actually kind of funny, but a little sad.
You can stand up in this.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. If I had brought my bathing suit.
You could walk all the way down the creek.
I would just let you...
Wait, whoa, there we go.
What? Do you see a turtle? Turtle! We found him! Oh, I knew we'd find him.
There too.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little one.
He went underwater.
Oh, he's gone. But that one's still there.
Yeah, I know.
We're coming for you. We are coming. Oh, he was scared of us. He jumped out.
I should stop paddling.
I didn't even get a good picture.
Well, I'm sure we'll see another.
Okay. This is unfair. Daniel likes running me into trees. I feel unloved. Next time we are so coming and doing the rope swing.
Okay, I think so.
Yep, I do.
Groundhog!
So we were supposed to be going that way, but Daniel decided to take us this way, and in the process hit a log and nearly flipped the boat.
But come on, this looks awesome.
Yes, but we did find our own private little cove here.
With no current.
With no current.
And then you find turtles.
Ooh.
Ooh, I think I saw a frog.
Be quiet and maybe they will come around. We're on a hunt for the wild turtle. This is their natural habitat. But they are very sneaky. Nope. There are a bunch of little baby ducks back there, and they are so cute. Oh, there's one. Oh, I think that's the mom, and the little babies are following after. Oh, they're so cute. Bye, duckies. Bye. Alright, we found them. Found two very large turtles. We're going to try and sneak up on them, but from our last experience that doesn't work very well. Okay, we're being very quiet. Oh, one went away, but the other's still... Oh, how cool. Oh, they're gone.
See if you can see them underwater. See?
There, he's swimming. He's swimming. Oh, you scared him. We got too close. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this video is just going to be called The Hunt for the Wild Turtle. Yeah. And we found a whole bunch of them. Oh. They're running away. They typically do. We're just not quiet enough.
The thing is, we're sneaking up at them from the wrong side.
Very true.
This is a long canoe ride.
It's nice.
She's like, I could get off now and it'd still be a long canoe ride.
No, this is short.
But we've only just started.
Yep. And we have many turtles yet to find.
Whoa!
What? What? Oh my goodness, they're massive. The biggest turtles we've seen yet. They're going away, they're going away. Got a dog over here. The third animal we can add to our Pokédex. We've got ducks, turtles, and dogs. Look at him, he's so cute. Harper. Coming up on some rapid, well, what we call rapid. We want to go to the right.
Okay, awesome.
The awesome one. Tell me what I need to do.
Just stay there.
Okay, stay there.
I've gotten really good at controlling the boat from back here.
Cool. I will take video then. This is going to get rough. It actually looks much less rough in the video than it does out here. Woo! Oh, this is fun. Oh, please don't run us into that. I get a little nervous. Oh my goodness, we are totally running into this tree. Here. Yep. This is the awesome side.
That was interesting.
Good job.
Well, I'm sorry.
Okay, it's really shallow here. Okay, that was unexpected, and I don't know what to do. So, goodbye. Stuff like this always reminds me of that scene in Milo and Otis where Milo gets stuck and then the owl's there and it's really creepy. That movie has like everything for perfect nightmares. We just added 2 new animals to our Pokédex. A frog and, oddly enough, a goat. Yes, we saw a goat right back there. I'm not kidding. It appears that this concludes our trip. We've seen numerous wild turtles, goat, some ducks, a frog, and up here we've got a wild school bus. It's a good thing Daniel didn't bring his phone because, well, he fell in. Right there. And I missed it. It's just sad.